Hey guys, it's YoshiTails13, and before we start this video, I just want to say this. We finally did it. We got Vector's new truck out now. After like 2 years, even though our line delivery is out of date, but we finally did it. I like to thank Mayito for making this Gmod Animation for me. Without him, this video wouldn't have been possible. I do want to apologize for Greatwhite since he wasn't able to make it. Since he is kind of been working Sonic Travels Jurassic Park and he's renewing it and he's making the sequel, so I completely understand. And also, he's been dealing with things. So, I hope you also enjoyed this Greatwhite. I will, link you and Mayito's links in the description. I would also like to thank Mackenzie, Geeky Sonic, Infinite007, Timesing, Super Mario Fan Studios, and Sonicify for voicing along with me in this. Well, I think that's all I have to say here. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. YoshiTails13 signing out.
Say, Charmy, how did SBO got in the news that one time? Oh yeah, we actually knew info about this murderer. So we head over to the news network. And that's when SBO announced it on the news a few weeks ago. The good news is, we earned a lot of money from it. Come to think of it, where is SBO and Vector? SBO went to the grocery store to get some food. Vector, however, he said he was going to surprise it to us. I hope it's a bunch of toys and video games. Say, didn't you guys have to...
Yeah!
Was that Vector? Let's find out. Whoa!
Hey, you kids! You surprised?
Wow, this might be better than toys and video games. Vector, you got a big truck?
Isn't it a beauty? I call it the Crocker Trucker.
Wow, cool!
How about you kids want to go for a ride?
Oh, heck yeah!
You both buckle up,
Check, yep.
then let's rock and roll! Let's listen to some tunes. Woo! This is more like it.
So this was the surprise?
Yep. You loving it?
This is really unique, Vector. It's awesome.
Thanks, you two. I just hope I didn't get carried away buying this.
What do you mean by that?
Well, remember we still have to pay off some bills, Charmy?
I was about to ask Charmy that, actually.
The thing is, we only have one more bill we have to pay off.
Uh-oh, that's not good.
Well, don't worry. We're gonna head over to the bank, and soon we'll be paid off.
Does SBO know about you got this truck?
I hadn't told him. He might flip out if he knows I used most of the money for it. But hey, this truck could help us with transportation.
True, it would help with our detective work. We'll promise to keep it a secret from SBO.
Thanks, you two. I'm glad you understand.
Hey, isn't that SBO? Vector.
Huh? Oh, that's nice. Wait, what? Oh, crap! We better step on it!
Sounds like someone was in a rush. Boy, if only this wasn't so darn heavy.
Oh, yeah! Let's step things up.
Vector, I don't think...
Just hang on. This'll be a shortcut to the bank.
Vector, look out for that tree! Look out for that car!
Hey! Watch it, you idiot!
Yeah!
Gee, Vector, don't you think you should slow down a little?
Slow down? Ha! But if I do that, how am I gonna get a ticket?
A ticket? A ticket to what?
I don't know. But if you want it, you gotta go fast. Woo! See? Now we're gonna get a ticket.
Oh, we're in trouble.
Is there a problem, officer?
Yeah, there's a problem. You, Mr. Crocodile, were going 1,000 miles an hour. Now I'm gonna have to give you a ticket. Now hit the road.
Well, Victor, you got your ticket. What's it for anyway?
Huh! Tails! Charmy! It's a ticket to Twinkle Park!
Wow. Huh? That's interesting.
We'll head on over there after we go to the bank.
I love my job. Giving amusement park tickets to fast drivers is so much fun to do. Now, time for me to fight Foggy.
All right, we have finally arrived. Sorry about the rush.
It's alright, Vector. Felt like a roller coaster ride.
Well, come along, boys. Let's go in.
Welcome to the bank. May I help you?
Yes, I would like to pay off for the bill.
Okay, let me see.
Jet?
What?
Why do you work at a bank?
Just needed to make the money, Tails. Just needed to make the money.
Okay.
Alright, you're all paid off. You can go celebrate.
Woohoo! Come on, Charmy and Tails. Off to Twinkle Park.
Alright!
I would have been happy. I just wish only Wave and Storm didn't have to kick me out.
Whew! What a day. I'm loving this new truck. I guess I've been driving so much I forgot to eat.
Yeah, I'm getting hungry too. Hey, look! There's a 712 close by.
Perfect. We'll go ahead and park there. I'll go get some grub for us. You boys stay put.
I'm getting really tired. Yeah, we had been through a lot. How about let's take a nap?
This is one good-looking truck. Too bad someone's here to steal it. Hey, that crocodile forgot to grab his keys.
Come on, Sonic. You can beat Eggman.
Aw, ain't that cute? I got two other playmates to ride with me. And they're mine to keep.
Hi there. May I help you?
Yes. May I have 2 large boxes of cheese pizza?
You want tacos with that?
But you don't sell tacos here.
Oh yeah. Never mind that. Yeah. That'll be $14.99.
Alright. Here you go.
Alright, thank you. Your pizza will be ready in a few minutes.
Oh, hey, Vector!
Hi, Mr. Victor. Yeah!
Oh, hey you girls. What brings you here?
We're gonna have a picnic.
So far, we've only gotten some refreshments. We just need to get some food.
Oh, that sounds fun.
Yeah! What's wrong, Cheese? Yeah! It's only a pickup truck.
Ah, you must have noticed my new truck. Isn't it a beauty?
Wait, you mean that's your truck?
Yep. I call it the Crocker Trucker. I'm really loving it. It has comfy seats, a nice radio, and I can listen through Bluetooth. It's great to use for transportation on detective work. You know, someday I'm gonna take Vanilla out in that truck, and we're gonna drive down to the beach
Amy,
and
I
find
don't
a
think
nice,
Mr. Vector
quiet
is not
spot to
noticing the
watch
point that his truck is being
sunset,
stolen.
gated stars. Oh, man. I get weak just thinking about it. Oh, I'm gonna have to call her soon. I'm so excited.
Vector, someone is stealing your truck!
Now, come on. That's just silly. How could someone do a thing like... My baby!
Wait! You forgot your pizza!
Give it to those 2 girls. Thank you.
Well, here you guys go. Enjoy.
At least we have food for the picnic.
Yeah.
Tails! Charmy! Where you guys going?
Well, if it isn't the crocodile himself.
Storing the albatross from the Babylon rogues? Hey! Give me back my truck! And what are you doing with my friends?
Haha! Not a chance! And your friends are having a snooze. They're my playmates now!
You're dead, Big Bird!
Later, sucker!
Come back!
Do you think Mr. Vector will get his truck back?
I suppose. That sure was awkward to see that happen. Well, never mind that. Let's have ourselves a pizza picnic.
Yay! Yeah! Vector? Are we home? Vector? Wait a minute. Where are we? Vector? Vector? Charmy, wake up! What's going on, Tails? Charmy, Vector is missing. What? I don't think I remember this place at all. Are we in a dream? I don't know. Is it possible that we have the same dream? Oh no, I think we're going to be in a nightmare. Don't worry, Charmy. I have a plan to get us out of this. Just stay close, Charmy. This could get ugly.
Here's Storm!
Run!
Where did you two going?
Storm?
Yep, that's me, the one and only!
Why are you here? And where the heck are we?
Well, you're at my house. You're my playmates. Duh!
What? Please tell me that I'm dreaming. What are you gonna do with us?
Oh, I'll tell you what I'm going to do with you two. We're gonna play a bunch of games together. Let's say the first game will be...
Storm, could you come up here for a minute?
Don't! Aw, I was about to start to have fun with these kids. Now you two stay put. But don't even think of escaping.
How does he expect us to escape? I don't know. But I'm worried about Vector. Me too. It's just first we were asleep waiting for Vector from the store, and then we ended up here? I just don't get that. I just don't know what's gonna happen to us. Charmy, it's okay. If Storm tries anything to harm us, I'll protect us. Thanks, Tails.
What is it, Wave? I'm a little busy with something.
You know, I've been thinking. I think we should bring Jet back. After all, it has been a long time since we kicked him out.
I do actually miss the boss, too. I miss the times when he gives out orders for me.
I'm gonna go out and look for him. You can do, whatever you were doing.
Yeah, that sounds fine with me. Uh-oh.
Storm, what is that doing there?
Somebody must have left it there outside.
Now I know why we need Jet back. You've been hiding stuff. I'll be back later and get Jet.
Phew! That was a close one. Now, where was I? Oh yeah! Time to have fun with these boys. Yeah.
I can't go on much longer. Oh, Charmy, Tails, I'm very sorry. If only I can get you guys back, especially my... My truck! Thank goodness. Charmy? Tails? They aren't here. Oh no! That albatross must have took the kids inside there. I need to hear what's going on.
No, please stop.
Huh?
Please, Storm. I can't breathe. Why are you doing this?
It's fun to hear you two laugh.
Oh no! He's tickling them to death. Oh, I can't take this anymore. I gotta do something. Now, come on. Keep it together, Vector. I just need to figure out how to get the kids back. Alright. I can just take down that albatross myself. Hold tight, Charmy and Tails. I'm a-coming!
Quick. Let's sneak out now. Could you give me a hand? Alright, hurry. Keep going. We're almost out of here.
Alright. Here goes. 1, 2... My little buddies! Oh, I'm glad you guys are okay.
Hey, where'd you two kids go? Uh-oh.
Step back, you two. I need to deal with this albatross.
Hey, we can talk about this.
After what you did to my friends, not a chance! And that's what you get for stealing my truck!
What?
Alright, time to step on it. Alright, you two. We're gonna sneak to the back door and head upstairs, so Espio wouldn't find anything suspicious. Is something wrong, you two?
Oh, it's nothing. Yeah, we're fine. Let's just go ahead.
Okay.
It's been an hour or two for seeing the others. I wonder where could they be?
Follow my lead, you two.
Vector?
Shh! Not now. Phew. We made it to the stairs.
That's what I was trying to point out. Hi, Espio.
Charmy, how about you take our friend Tails up to your room? Me and Vector need to have a little chat.
Alright.
Actually, Espio, I gotta go along with Tails and Charmy upstairs. Now, if you'll excuse me.
You're not going anywhere until you tell me where you have been. You guys were gone for 2 hours.
Oh yeah, we were at Twinkle Park. And I have photos to prove it.
Okay. And how did you get there?
Oh, that's easy. Tails and Charmy flew me to Twinkle Park.
What? You mean you couldn't have taken a bus or get a car? There's transportation, you know.
Well, we just wanted to see the nice view. Look, I gotta go talk with Charmy and Tails about something right now. Espio, come on, move!
What's that you're holding?
Just my house keys?
They don't look like house keys. Let me see those.
No, Espio! I don't have time for this!
Vector!
Alright.
Car keys?
Yes.
You mean you bought a car this whole time today?
Actually, it was a pickup truck. It was actually a good deal.
Why didn't you tell me about this?
Well, I thought you would have been mad if I spent too much money. I had to buy a truck for transportation, so I had to pay off that last bill from the bank earlier today.
I guess you have a point there. We probably did need the truck. It would help us get around to places, and plus, it was heavy taking those groceries from walking home here.
Oh, really?
Yeah, sorry about being concerned, Vector. I just thought you guys got into danger.
Oh, that's okay, Espio.
One more thing, though. What are we gonna do about gas?
I think Tails might have a solution. But anywho, I gotta go talk to the kids right now.
Alright.
Phew. I'm off the hook.
Are we in trouble, Tails? I don't know. I hope not. Come in.
Hey, could I sit with you guys?
Sure.
I told Espio about the truck. He said he was fine with it. But let's talk about you two. You guys were very quiet on the way home. Is there something you guys want to tell me?
It's just, we thought you were mad at us when we were on our way home.
Mad? Why would I be mad at you both?
Well, he mean is, we fell asleep while we were waiting for you from the store. We didn't know how we ended up back with the Babylons. We just thought you were mad at us when we were with Storm.
Oh. Well, he kidnapped you guys when he stole my truck. That really ticked me off, the way he just went and did that. I should have been more responsible of not leaving my keys in the truck. I was worried if he'd done anything to my truck, or, harm you guys.
Oh, I can remember. He wanted to play games with us. I thought we were gonna play some card game like Uno, but we managed to get away from after getting tickled.
Well, I'm glad I found you guys when you came out. Listen, Charmy, Tails, I'm sorry that I made you feel that way. And I'm really sorry I got you boys in danger.
I know you didn't mean to, Vector, but it sure was an adventure. We went a lot of places. I really enjoy going to Twinkle Park. I really think we should do this more often.
Yeah, we should. Oh, come here, you guys. I can't resist. Oops. We still forgot to eat.
Let's go have ourselves dinner. I'm gonna have 2 corn dogs. I'll have myself some popcorn chicken.
I think I'll have a double cheeseburger with some large fries.
Everybody supersonic racing. Try to keep your feet right on the ground. When you're supersonic racing, there's no time to look around. We're just supersonic racing, running to the point of no return. Everybody supersonic racing. Come on, let the fires burn. Everybody, 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 everybody.
Hey, Wave, listen. I just want to apologize about, well, before.
I know. It's just felt a little empty while you were away. We really need to get Team Babylon back together. Huh? That's odd.
What's up, Wave?
Oh, nothing. Let's just head inside.
Boy, I wonder how Storm's been doing. Storm?
Huh? Boss?
Yep, it's me.
Boss! Oh, I miss you!
Yeah, I just wanted to come back and apologize.
Oh, no need, boss. I'm just glad you're back.
Looks like we have our team back.